Okay, today we're going to talk about changing the leaf spring bushings on the back of this Nissan Hardbody right here. This is a 91 model. Don't even bother with the OEM stuff and presses and all that. Get you a set of these energy suspension performance polyurethane, polyurethane components. Don't worry about these squeaking. We have a solution for that. This is just so much easier, so take a look. Okay, what I'm going to show you is the easy way to do these leaf springs. First thing I'm going to tell you, do not do them when they're still on the truck. See, I've got jack stands on the frame, and I've got a little lift there in the center here. So you want to start out doing this. And what will greatly help you the day or night before, spray everything with PB Blaster or your penetrant of choice. Every bolt. You've got bolts here. You've got bolts up there for the shackles, and you've got these U-bolts right here. And first thing I'm going to do is take these U-bolts out and do yourself a favor and get a impact wrench. They came out real smooth. Again, if you prepare and spray these things down. I do not live in the Rust Belt, so shout out to those who do. So you take these off, move them to the side, and then you have this little axle protection plate. You want to take this off. Now you can see this has dropped a little bit. This is my my shock mount. We're going to go ahead and take that shock bolt off. Okay, you probably don't even really need to take that off, but I'm going to clean it up. Now on this back shackle, you got a couple of 17 millimeters. Okay, once you take those brackets off, this should come off. Tailpipe's in the way. I sure hope we don't have to move that. And when I go ahead and pop this out, this is going to fall down. Okay, you have to remember this. On this bottom one, you have a little sheath here. This little thing right here, it is not on the top. Then move toward the front, and we've got to take this little 12 millimeter bolt off. Whoa, wrong way. Then there is a 17 millimeter, again, we're on the front right here, that we've got to remove. Then once you get that bolt out, you should be able to wiggle this out, and see this fell down, and then we're going to wiggle it and pull this piece out like this. Then the whole spring should come out. Now in order to get this out, I'm going to have to dig some of this whole old bushing out. That's it. I'll pick up all my pieces. I'll throw all my pieces to get a bath in the ultrasonic cleaner. And then we'll set it. And here is the leaf spring. So see original Nissan emblem there. One of these fell out, or pulled it out as you saw me. Got to pull this one out. This one should come out pretty easy. This one usually is the one that gives people a heartache, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. What we're going to do is, you see where this meets right here? What we're going to do is we're going to take a hacksaw and we're going to cut it right here. Then we're going to take a little chisel, bend these inward, and it'll pop right out. So I'm going to put this in here just like this, and I'm going to saw it right there. Okay, so what you see here, I've cut through it right here, all the way down, and then I'm going to take a little chisel and I'm going to beat it around here, and it will just pop right out. Okay, I wanted to show you. See how it is starting to move this way and coming out this way. So you just keep beating on it, a little persuasion, it will come out. And you can also use a socket. There you go. See, this is key right here. Okay, this kit from Energy Suspension. Here is the part number there for the Nissan rear spring bushing set. I got the black ones because they come in red or black. So what you're about to see here is, with the exception of the grease, they give you everything double. The first set of, you got to look at these numbers here. The 2291s go on the front, so those are going to go here. I've already done the other side, by the way, so these go on the front there. And then this is where people make the mistake. You have these 2292 and 93, so we're going to separate these. So we're going to go 2292 right here and 2293 right here, and it comes with, again, it's got 4 and 8 of these, one little thing of grease, and it comes with 2 of these. I've already done one side, which is why you're only seeing half. Okay, I just got these parts out of the ultrasonic cleaner. Shout out to Harbor Freight for that thing. It is it does wonders on old greasy parts because it heats up, and then I put a little mixture of Simple Green and water in there, let it heat up, let it sit for 30 minutes, and it removes all of the greasy crud. Now, it doesn't remove rust, but it does remove all the grease. Okay, and for the back shackle, the lower sleeve is significantly slimmer than the upper sleeve. So the way you can tell which goes on where, so if I turn this like this, the 2293 will not go over this upper sleeve, but it will go over the new sleeve that came with it. So that's how you know where to go, which one goes where. So the 2292 goes on the upper, on the thicker one, and the 2293 is going to go this goes over here like this. Uh-oh. There we go. And then the 2293 goes on that one. So 2292 on the top, 2293 on the bottom, and then it will end up looking a little bit like this once it's all said and done. Okay, my only complaint is that they do not give you enough of this grease. So you want to put the grease with your finger in all of these little channels. Put a really thin layer on the outside of each bushing to help it slide in there. But each one of these is very important to get grease up in here, otherwise they will squeak. Now, you can use lithium grease, which I've got here. So you got to be careful what type of grease to use on these, but the grease that they send you is extremely tacky, probably the best type of grease. So if you buy this, you might want to buy an extra thing. First thing I'm going to do is lube up the inside of each one of these. I lubed up the 2291 bushings with some grease, the lithium grease, and I'm just going to squeeze them in. It is not hard to do at all. You could use any type of C-clamp to do this. This is what it looks like. So this is the front bushing. Just as a quick note, these can get really pitted up over time. Not sure if these are still available from Nissan, but we're going to rock with these. Okay, so I've got it set up. I've got my big eye where it's got the Nissan that's toward the front. We're going to raise this up, and we're going to do this one first. Okay, that's it for that one. That one's kind of tight. So then you've got to put your little screw on this end, your little bolt, and then there's a bolt on the back, a nut. Okay, one thing to remember, you really shouldn't torque any of this down until you have it sitting on its own weight on the tires, which is what we're going to do. Okay, so the lower is the one that I have the sleeve, the little, you can see the shiny sleeve that came on. So these upper ones here, we are going to go ahead and press them into here. And then I've got some grease on them, and you can really just kind of squeeze them in or tap them in with a hammer. They go right in. And the lower ones are the same. They just squeeze right in. You can pretty much squeeze them in with your hands. Okay, then we're going to lift this up like this, and we're going to put that right through the back. Hard to do it with one hand, so I'll just have to show you when I'm done. Okay, so now that I've got it like this, I'm just going to squeeze this together. And I didn't get it all the way pressed in, but you can actually use the nuts to pull it up taut. Okay, now as you see, I've got these tightened up. I did not torque them yet. You want to tighten and then back off and loosen them a little bit. put the weight on the suspension and torque them to specs. We'll go over that in a little bit. I use this this is a little tip, a little bottle jack. There is a little nut or tit sticking up on these leaf springs to align them. They go into a little hole in here. Do not tighten these down and forget to do that. That would not be good. Okay, time to put on the shock absorber mount and the leaf spring U-bolts. I'm going to paint some of these areas here with some of this rust reform stuff, so it's less likely to rust underneath there. Okay, we set this right on top. Okay, and underneath here you have a bolt right here that is going to go right through here on the shock mount. So this kind of goes under like this. And what I find easier, just hang your U-bolts on the U-bolt mount first, and then you can line this up when you come underneath. Okay, then put your shock bolt on. Then it's time to start torquing it down. I've got everything snug here, or the torque specification. Once you put the tires on, bounce the truck several times, set the suspension, and then tighten the front shackle nuts. Front shackle nuts 58 to 72. That's those right there. Tighten the U-bolt nuts to 65 to 72. That's these nuts underneath here. And then tighten the shock absorber lower nut to 22 to 30, which is back there. So it says the front pin and shackle nuts. So the front pin is that one, and the shackle nuts are these. So those are going to go between 65 and 72. Okay, that's it. They're all done. They're all torqued down per factory specs. And I bounced on it before I torqued everything down. So time to take it for a ride, and we'll see how she does. Okay, that's about it for this video. Again, this is my easy video on the Energy suspension leaf spring bushings for a Nissan Hardbody pickup. Y'all have a great day.